Hello, everyone. Today, I'm building an AI agent that writes personalized emails for you. Now, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to build this workflow from scratch. First, add a schedule trigger. Tap on the plus icon, search Schedule, and select Schedule Trigger. Here, I'm planning to execute the workflow and send one email every 5 minutes. You can customize this based on your preference. After this, get back to the N8N. Next, add a Google Sheets node to pull the lead details. I've created a Google Sheet that contains demo leads with name, company, and website. These details are used to personalize the email. If you have more information like business pain points, you can add it as a new column to make the email even more personalized. We also have an email column and a status column. Once an email is sent, the status will update to sent, so the next execution picks the next row. Click Add and click Google Sheets. Now configure the Google Sheets node. Set action as Get Rows in Sheet. Connect your Google account. Choose the document. In my case, I named it Leads List, and then select Sheet 1. Now, we need to add a filter to get only the rows where the status is empty. Click on Add Filter. Select the column as Status and leave the value empty. Let's execute the step. And here we got 3 items. But we need only one item at a time. So click on Add Option, select Return Only First Matching Row, and enable it. Let's execute it once again. And here we go. We got the first item. Now let's add the AI agent node to create the personalized email. Change the user message to Define below, and here let's add all the details we have. First, add name, then drag and drop the name string. Next, add company, and drag and drop the company string. Now add the website. If you have more details, as I mentioned before, you can add them here. Next, we need a specific output format from this AI agent. Enable this option, and at the bottom, click the plus icon. Select Structured Output Parser. Remove the existing part and add subject, body, body. Now our AI agent will output in this specific format with a subject and a body. Back to the AI agent node. Click on Add option and select System Message. Here we can add some instructions to create the personalized email. I have already created a structured system message, so let me paste it here. It is very simple. You are an expert cold email writer with 5 years experience. Your job is to generate short, personalized cold emails that propose AI and automation services to businesses. Keep the tone friendly, human-generated, simple, and clear. Always personalize the email using the details provided in the user prompt. Avoid generic lines. Write the cold email in 4 to 5 lines max. Focus on how AI agents and automation can help them improve efficiency, reduce manual work, increase sales, and streamline operations. Do not add placeholders or brackets. Produce only the final email body with no introduction or explanation. Add signature, best, demo. So this is the system message I use to create personalized emails for my AI and automation services. You can update this based on your services or business. Then go to ChatGPT, paste it, and ask it to modify the system message. It will give you the updated system message. Okay, back to the canvas. Next, we have to add a chat model. Here we have multiple options available. I'm choosing Google Gemini, which is free. Let's execute the step. Now let's add the node to send the emails. For that, you can use Gmail. I'm keeping it simple by using the Gmail node. Set the action as Send a Message. Select your Gmail account. In the To field, we need to add the recipient email address. So click on the Google Sheets node and drag and drop the email string like this. Now in the Subject field, drag and drop the subject string from the AI output. Set the email type as text, then drag and drop the body string into the message field. And it will look like this. Click on Add option and select Sender Name and add your name here. Click on Add option again and select Append N8N attribution. By default, the emails sent by N8N contain a watermark. We can remove it by disabling this. Perfect. Now let's execute the step. It's done. We got the output as sent. Let's check our email. And here we go. We got the email. Now comes the final step. Once it sends the email, we have to update the status on the Google Sheet. For that, let's add a Google Sheets node. Set the action as Update Rows in Sheet. Select the same document and the same sheet. Set the column to match on as row number. In this field, we have to add the row number string. Just click here. Then drag and drop the row number string like this. And here we have to keep only the status field. Add the value as sent. So after sending the email, it will update the status. Let's execute the step. It's done. Let's open the Google Sheet. And here we go. It updated the status. Now, final test. Let's execute the workflow. It takes the data from Google Sheets, creates a personalized email using the AI, sends the email, and updates the status on the Google Sheet. Let's open our email. And here we go. We received the email. It also updated the status on the Google Sheet as well. So once we activate this workflow, it will trigger and send one email every 5 minutes. You can customize the trigger depending on your preference. And that's it. This is how we can send automated emails using N8N automation. I hope this video finds you well. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you.